Hello, fellows, viewers. Today, we'll be replacing another outlet. This will be part 4. And the next video, we'll be replacing both in one video, alright? Take on this another adventure with me, and we'll see you in that minute. Alright, I'm gonna let you zoom in so I can see what we're doing. You can see fully, I know. So, we should get started processing, changing an outlet like this again and again. We're gonna make sure we got tools with us. Alright, and I'm hearing some siren again. It's coming this direction, I hope it's not. It's not coming this direction, so that's why I'm hearing the siren. This takes a little while to find my tools and all. Uh-oh, sounds like it's coming toward us. So we're gonna find it. Oh, there's my T-bar here. That's what we need. Alright, enough working and all that. Put that tools here. And then, and our next stop, same as always, you know the drill. Turn the power off. I'm gonna use something else to hold this door so you can see enough light in here. That'll work for now unless that thing feels like to fall. But that doesn't matter though, but we gotta get started anyways. This one does not have cover for it, so we're gonna make it quick as possible, so to know what we're doing and all that. So we got clean outlet and all that. You're gonna see a live demo exactly how to change an outlet. If I had a freaking drill, I could have used that. So probably it's way easier than that. So let me bring my drill. All right, just hang on tight. All right, we're back. So we're gonna use this one. We're gonna use this drill right here. DeWalt brushless motor onto this bad boy. Takes a little while to get it in there. Gotta make sure they go to the other direction so it can be on loose there. Okay. See, I told you it was way. See, I told you it was way easier to do than screwing by hand. All right. Push it out a little bit so we can have access to it. Another drill. This one's got a double ground on this one, so. Double hot and double ground wire. Sorry, anyway, if you guys are good, you can see everything I'm working right now, but I'm not having an issue with it. There we go, we all get started. That was easy to do that. Oh yeah. not easy to do that when you get the screw and thread. Alright. So I need that. Apply this outwards. We can have enough room for our new outlet. White wire goes on this side, and black wire goes to this side. That's right. As said, we got to do the ground first. Alright. Pretty easy to use a drill like this. Gotta take a good jet on it. Alright, we got the first ground. Second white wire. Alright. Sorry if I'm in your way exactly. There we go. Way easy job to do. Just gotta practice. Apply that one all the way towards outwards. Upwards. We're just keeping this building a little bit more kind of updated. On that new outlet anyways. And we're gonna keep doing it as we're supposed to be. Alright, it's in there. It needs to be outwards. It's pretty quick, pretty easy to do. Use practice on using these kind of things. I kind of like my way to do this. It just need to be updated. All of its outlets in my building here. All right, that's in there. Push this in. Takes a bit time to get it all in there. Alright, that's a new outlet. Let's get our cover here. Where's the screw for it now? Hold on. I think I lost it. Pretty much, I think I lost the screw for the cover. Might use any different ones. This one's good shape, right? You have the screw right here. Came out of one of the electric box. That's in good shape, so we can use this one. Oh my gosh. freaking things. Alright, that's a brand new outlet. And that's the simple job to do. Let me zoom out real quick. Alright. That's done. I'm not sure what we're going to test with, so I'm not sure. We'll figure out something. No issues with it. We're good to go. How about this little thing right here that we've been using for a while now? It's something, so. You see this? That's what we're going to be testing for it, so. Hope for what's best. It's been oiled, I don't know why. It works, that's nice to say. I got some oil from that. Exactly, I don't know how we got that oil coming from. Something different. Anyways, it was a good show, isn't it? 12 minutes now, so. Adios, amigas, amigos. We'll see you next time on Indiana Daniel Live. I'm gonna throw this phone at that on the air.